Welcome back, everybody. Today I have something pretty cool to open. I think it's new, and it is the Eternatus VMAX Premium Collection Box. Looks like you're getting a coin, a jumbo card, two promos, Eternatus V and VMAX, 6 booster packs, and a dope looking pin, which I will open for y'all, of course. And it looks like a Sword and Shield base, a Rebel Clash, Vivid Voltage, Darkness Ablaze, and 2 Battle Styles booster packs. So a nice little variety of packs to get into. These are about 40 bucks at the store if you can find them. I was lucky enough to find one, and I'm happy with it. Just because this is awesome. This is what caught my eye. This full art promo card, that is beautiful. Centering's a little off, I think, or the card's just really small. It looks weird, but back looks great. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But there is the V. And time to pull the VMAX out, which is awesome. So you get those two. Happy with that. Okay, you get this coin. Nice. And of course, it comes with a lot of recyclable trash. So put that there, that there. Let's check out this jumbo card of the VMAX. Another VMAX jumbo. Don't see too many of them. Put that off to the side as well. And then we've got to check out this really cool looking pin. Yeah. So, for the packs, like I said, 2 Battle Styles, Vivid Voltage, Darkness Ablaze, Rebel Clash, and a Sword and Shield base, and it looks like a code card right there. So we'll open it in this order. See if we can get something that is worth putting in the vault. Last thing I put in there was that Tyranitar full art, alt art from Battle Styles, which has to be one of my favorite cards for now. Until, what comes out? Evolving Skies comes out soon. I am very excited. I will have plenty of content on that set, and I've been saving up for that. That's why I haven't been opening too many cards for y'all. Ooh, a nice little Inteleon. Ooh, Team Yell Grunt, full art. That's like the first time I've actually ever pulled anything out of a Sword and Shield base. So we're starting out strong with a full art trainer. That's it there. Alright, Rebel Clash. Yeah, Evolving Skies comes out on the 28th. I can probably get it earlier, and I hope I do, because right at the end of August, my little daughter will be born, and I will not be doing much while I am taking care of her for at least, maybe 2-3 months. So, it'll be all good. I've got a pretty good amount of stuff stocked up for now. Yeah, just waiting on Evolving Skies. Seismitoad. Alright. And then in Evolving Skies, I did open, as you already know, I opened the Japanese set EV Heroes. This is Darkness Ablaze, by the way. Oh, nice. Code. I've opened 2 EV Hero booster boxes, or whatever you call them. First one gave us I did that on camera, it gave us a full art trainer. And in the second one, I got my Umbreon VMAX alt art, which is why I'm not opening anymore, because that was the only card I really wanted. And I had no use to buying any more. Last card, Tyranitar. Look at that, another aggressive one this time. Alright, so far a full art and a holo. Going to Vivid Voltage. And I've been doing a little research or checking out some Vivid Voltage stuff, and hit me. I was like, wow, this is actually a really big set. No wonder everyone's trying to find it, even though it's one of the harder sets to find that is still available. They didn't... Ooh! Well, would you look at that? A little reverse Charizard for us and an X-Cloud. I have yet to find a non-holo one of these, which is hilarious. So, that's nice. Alright, we got our 2 Battle Styles packs to go. Not looking for much in here. I could use another Tyranitar, but I think I need Empoleon. If anything, I want... nothing. I would like the Empoleon leaf. So that would be cool. I don't have anything Rapid Strike alternate art yet. Everything has been single strike. And Slowbro. Come on, bro. Last pack. Yeah, it's backwards. I learned my lesson there. 3 Flipping Dark. It looks like there's a huge tie. Well, 1, 2, yeah. Jolteon, Flareon, Umbreon, Espeon, Leafeon. Congratulations, y'all all got fed today. And for the ones that didn't, there is always next time. And for our last pack, a Salazzle. Wow. Alright. It's not too bad. Best ones. I'll put this guy right here. Be our Team Yell Grunt, full art, nicely centered, very well. Yeah, that's a good card there. And our reverse Charizard, top to bottom, not too well. I can live with that. On the back, not too shabby. Yeah, that will do it for today. Of course, we gotta actually show the full art one. I just think those colors they just pop out at you. Real cool. But that'll do it. I will see y'all next time.